everybody, Carolyn Caldwell here from Caldwell Evolution with day 9 of 30 tips in 30 days, how to get stuff done. And today we're going to talk about the value of the brain dump. I have encouraged my clients to start their task list or project list with a brain dump since I first started working in organizing. And there's a couple of reasons why that brain dump may be helpful to you. The first reason is that when you get everything out of your head that you're thinking about that you have to do and write it on a piece of paper or a board or however you like to write it down, type it on a computer, tablet, phone, whatever, it doesn't matter. But what it does do is it makes those things tangible. Rather than kind of rolling around in your head, it actually makes them tangible items that you can then turn your attention to. So that's the first thing. It makes the items on your list tangible. The second thing that it does is it helps you to organize your thoughts about what's actually on that list. When you can see them and they become tangible, it's much easier to organize them. Thirdly, it avoids that task list loop that I talked about yesterday, so I won't talk too much more about that today. And the last thing is that when you get that stuff out of your brain, it actually leaves room in your brain for the next step in the process of getting things done. You've got all those thoughts out, you've got them written down, whether it's a project list or a task list. You can now move, you have the brain space and the creativity to move on to how am I going to prioritize them and how am I actually going to get things done. So I really encourage you when you're creating your list of things to do, go for that brain dump and get all that stuff out of your head and make space for some creative thought and the next step in the process. I hope that's been helpful and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care, everybody. Bye now.